Okay. Randall M roof reporting. Saturday, April 18th, 2020 AD. I got a package from Amazon from Lexington, Kentucky. Okay. This is a new battery for the phone, so I can have landline. Technically it's a landline. Actually it's cellular, but it's technically a landline. Let's open it up. Okay, so it's perforated. That's even better. Little package. Let's see. Manufactured OEM manufactured stand. Oh, home phone connect new. So there it is. Exactly like the old one, except this is new. Yeah, should work. So let's take this whole thing right here. Slide it off. Put my glasses on so I can see what I'm doing. Kind of hard to do one-handed. Well, maybe. Hold on. Hard enough with two hands. I think that's it. Oh, it goes this way. There we go. Okay, let's see if I can get this puppy back on there. Well, maybe. Alright, let's check the battery. Oh, well, maybe. I don't know. Alright, well, I may have to check behind the desk, make sure it's plugged in. So until next time, I'm Randall M saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. God bless. Bye.